Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan blue cheese, so let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 1 1/2 cups of raw cashews, soaked overnight, or for at least 4 hours. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. These foundational components are essential for creating our creamy and flavorful cheese base. Now drain and rinse your soaked cashews very well. Transfer them into a high-speed blender, adding 1/2 cup of filtered water, the nutritional yeast, apple cider vinegar, and sea salt. Blend this mixture on high for about 3 to 4 minutes, scraping down the sides as needed. Aim for a perfectly smooth, silky consistency, as this forms the heart of our blue cheese. This is where the magic truly begins. We introduce the blue culture. Carefully sprinkle 1/8 of a teaspoon of food-grade Penicillium roqueforti powder over your cashew mixture. Fold it in gently, ensuring the culture is evenly dispersed throughout the creamy base. Now, press the mixture into a 4-inch round cheese mold, which should be lined with 2 layers of cheesecloth, preparing it for the aging process. For the next 2 to 3 weeks, your cheese will age, developing its distinctive blue veins and pungent flavor. Store it in a breathable container in a cool, dark place, ideally at 50 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit with high humidity. Flip it daily and watch the beautiful blue mold flourish. Once it reaches your desired intensity, slice it thinly and savor your homemade vegan blue cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.